and let's have a look at what the markets are doing this afternoon. So let's talk about the benchmark indices. The Sensex and the Nifty both continue to extend their gains. Sensex up more than 0.7% in trade, around 400 points, 385 to be precise as of now, and trading around the 51,800 levels. Nifty also up around 100 points in trade, that's almost more than 0.5% in trade, and trading around the 15,500 levels as well. So both the benchmark indices continue to gain in trade and continue to extend their gains. Now, talking about the broader markets, seem to be slightly underperforming the benchmark indices, though they also are trading in the green as well. So Nifty mid cap and small cap up more than 0.1% in trade. Talking about individual stock gainers, obviously we've seen RIL, which has been gaining in the last two trading sessions as well. It's up almost 10% in the last 2 days as well. Good gains that we've seen coming in, almost 10%, 8 to 10% in trade as well. Other than that, among the top Nifty gainers, we do have ICICI Bank, ITC also up 1.8% in trade, M&M Finance and Airtel. Now, among the top losers, we do have M&M, that's Mahindra and Mahindra, which is also falling in trade after its earnings, and Adani Ports and Sun Pharma, which are among the top losers in trade. Let's talk about some of the sectors which have been gaining and losing in trade today. So among the sectors, we have media, which has fallen as much as more than 1% in trade today. Nifty Media is down 1% in trade. While among the gainers, we do have Nifty Energy and Nifty Realty, which are among the top gainers. Individual stock wise, let's talk about individual stocks quickly. So we have Heidelberg Cement also, which has gained as much as 6% in trade today after an upbeat set of numbers given by the company in the Q4. Now, overall, the profits have jumped more than doubled actually for the company and have come in at 140 crore. Also, the revenues are up by 14% for the company on a year-on-year basis. So, a strong sales figure as well as a profitability seen by the company, and overall volume growth and realizations also align in line with the estimates. So that's why a good set of numbers and a good performance by the stock price as well today. NCC also up as much as 1% in trade today after a robust set of numbers by the company. The net profits were up by 54% and revenues also up by 20% for the company. Moving forward, we do have Phoenix Mills today, which is buzzing in trade up as much as 3% after a company and the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board has signed an agreement for a new joint venture to develop regional retail center in Kolkata and West Bengal. So that is keeping the stock price buzzing today, and that's up as much as 3% in trade. Sumitomo Chemical also is up as much as 2% in trade after an upbeat set of numbers by the company, where the profits have also more than doubled. It's around 54 crores of profit, and revenues also up by 19.6%. Now, among the losers, we do have Bank of Baroda, which has fallen 3.8% in trade after a weak set of numbers by the company, as the company has swinged into a loss this time around. So surely some pressure building in over there. And Mahindra also is down as much as 5.8% after the numbers, as well as Bob Capital Markets has also maintained a sell rating on the company with a target price of 630 rupees per share, surely keeping some pressure building in on M&M as well, and down as much as 5.8% in trade. So let's keep an eye on all these stocks and how they end in trade today at 3:30 p.m.